How would you describe your mood on an average day?
Oh God. I don't know. I mean, with work every day, working a 8 to 5, 9 to 5 type job, you kind of get in a routine, and every day it's like, oh, just another day of work. So, nothing too exciting. It's kind of just like a go, go, go. Got to be productive, get stuff done. Yeah.
What do you usually do to de-stress?
I don't know. I think hobbies are a very big de-stressor for me personally. Whether that's working on music or, any type of artwork from digital to, I don't really paint, so not even that. But a lot of my hobbies involve a computer, so a lot of digital de-stressors, whether it's gaming, working on music, like I said, or any of the above.
How do you feel emotionally outside?
Relaxed. Content. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice break from the everyday, like I said, non-stop go.
It's a good thing or a bad thing that we're becoming less associated with nature and with more technology being incorporated into our lives every day.
I think it's awful. I think it's a terrible thing. I think that we've lost touch with who we really are as people. And I think it's starting to show up in society, with suicide rates, especially in teens. I think that social media is just about the polar opposite of where we should be as far as socializing and being out in nature. We've lost touch with all of that.
I think you're right about that. Does being outside diffuse feelings of anger, stress, sadness, or anxiety?
All of the above, yes,
And more, right?
and more.
When was the first time you realized that nature helped your mental health?
I don't think there was a time when I first realized it, because it's always affected who I am. If I'm not getting enough time in nature, then I close off. And I've always been that way ever since I was a child. I need the time outside and the time where I can hear nature breathing to be okay.
Not able to get out into nature.
I get depressed, I get sad, I stop moving and I hurt. Everything hurts. And I don't function. I can't focus.
So would you say that without being able to have the opportunity to get out into nature, you wouldn't be able to fully live your life?
I can say that it totally negatively impacts how I see the world. When I don't get out in nature, my view closes in and I'm not happy. And yeah, it does affect how I live my life, or how I don't. When I'm not getting out and I don't experience nature, I don't live. I'm only surviving.